Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Spotify versus SoundCloud. Which one is better? Starting, Spotify is the most popular music streaming service worldwide, known for its huge music library, smart recommendation, and strong social features. It has become the go-to platform for discovering and sharing music. It has over 100 million tracks available, free tier with ads plus premium subscription, personalized playlists like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and daily mixes, podcast integration directly in the app, and cross-platform support on iOS, Android, desktop, smart speakers, and gaming consoles. It has some social features like sharing playlists and see what friends are listening to. Also, there's offline listening for premium users. But the free version has ads and limited skips, lower audio quality compared to some competitors, and no lossless hi-fi option yet, despite being promised, and they have announced that they are going to include it in the premium subscription. And also, family plan can be more expensive compared to Amazon bundles. Now moving on to SoundCloud. SoundCloud is a platform famous for hosting independent artists. It's famous for its independent and underground artist base. SoundCloud is deal for you if you want music outside of the mainstream. It's full of remixes, DJ sets, indie tracks, and experimental sounds. It's great for discovering new and indie talent, tons of user-generated content and remixes, no other platforms, and has a free tier, but the quality of tracks can vary and the ads in the free plan, while advanced features need SoundCloud Go Plus. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.